Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use magnifier in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings and go to control center. Here you can see the option of magnifier. Enter plus and the magnifier option will be appear on control center. Go back to home screen, swipe down to control center and click on magnifier option, and your magnifier option will be appears. You can magnify here, zoom in and zoom out, and here you can increase brightness and decrease brightness. So magnify here. So this way to magnify in iPhone 16 Pro Max. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.